Hey, what's going on? Happy Friday. Making this quick. I know you guys have been waiting to find out the last bit of information on how to stand out on LinkedIn and not look like a jackass. And we're talking about the DMs. I haven't had a chance to write it yet, but you can't wait. On my post, I've been talking about a book called Digital Persuasion from Erin King, and she's writing it. She's gonna say anything better than I could say. Grab that book anyways. That'll beat you to the punch. She's gonna really lay it out how to do it. But my take is gonna be along these lines. How do you get into the DMs appropriately? One, don't. You don't belong there. Play in the comments, play in the likes, build some rapport first. Then when everybody's starting to like, hey, I know who this person is, I'm kind of intrigued, they've checked out my profile, then maybe you slide into the DMs. But most likely you're not ready to be in the DMs because you don't know what you're doing. You're gonna blow it. You're gonna make yourself look like an asshole. You're gonna ruin it. You're gonna say something that's just like, hey, look at me, I'm selling shit, why don't you buy it, I'm gonna change your life. Nobody gives a fuck about that. They want to know, they want to talk about themselves. Let's be real. So if you're gonna make a message, you need to appeal to them. You need to make it personal. You need to look at what they're interested in and relate to that. Then you need to send something useful. Nobody wants to hear a bunch of shit like, hey, I'm selling this stuff that your company never would buy in a million years. Like, that ain't gonna work because one, you didn't do your research. So clearly you don't even know who you're reaching out to. So make it useful. Find out what they're doing and the information you're saying is useful, and make it about something that doesn't have to do with their business or job, or maybe it's something to do with their job that they might find useful, like a little story that you read about their industry. That might be helpful. That might be useful. And be brief. 3 sentences max. Delete any use of the word I in those 3 sentences. You can get down to 2, even better. Write your message like a text message. People ain't got time for fucking paragraphs and shit. So stop wasting your time writing out long ass emails. 3 sentences or less. No use of the word I. Keep it personal, keep it useful and brief. That's Erin's method. I take no credit for that, but it is the bomb to use and learn and practice. And I'm guaranteeing you're gonna make friends. You're not gonna make connections that don't matter. You're gonna actually make friends when you do that. So that's where it all starts. Short message, way long. I wanted to keep this under a minute, but I'm gonna keep it under 3. So have a good one. Happy Friday. Enjoy